Hey y'all, thank y'all for tapping back in for another video. It's your boy called Chris. That means you'll call me any fucking time. In today's video, we are going over reps. Personally, been buying reps for about 5 to 6 years now. Damn. I know I sound like an unk, but praying my hauls made it past custom. Endless nights on Reddit, endless nights on Discord, trying to figure out new vendors, best shipping method, new agents, making sure to not lose my money. I've spent thousands, I've had W's, I have but after all those years, one website has stood out from the rest. Best website to buy high quality replica is kickmax.ru. Consistent, high quality. Matter of fact, let's just get into the website. Let's start with the site, guys. Kickmax.ru is clean, simple, and doesn't try to do too much. Everything's categorized by brand. On the top of the page, you can see Nike, Adidas, Air Jordan, Yeezy, the list goes on. They have absolutely everything you need.
Scrolling down, you see they have a big sale going on, which is pretty cool. You should go check that out. And another great thing that you see on the front of the page is customer reviews.
Customer reviews is always a good thing to look out for.
Kickmax has enough. A lot of people reviewed them, and they are pretty legit, so that's a plus. So in today's video, we are reviewing
a pair of Prada American cups. So let's go ahead and click on Prada up here and scroll down to the pink American cups right here. I got these in for my little mama's
for her birthday, and they came in exactly on time,
like on her birthday. Because these tariffs a little bit off, but Kickmax does a great job on shipping.
So click on the Pradas right here, choose your size. They have a full size run from a Euro 35 to a Euro 47. I believe that's a 6 to a size 13. So that's pretty good, guys. That's absolutely amazing. We can get the size 40 right here, add it to the cart. Once added to the cart, it's really simple. We could add a coupon code. You can use a coupon code from the front screen or use my coupon code Chris for $20 off.
It's pretty easy, but proceed to checkout. It's really simple. No, it's pretty simple. Shipping info right there, sizing advice solid, and the best part, no weird redirects, no pop-ups, no sketchy checkout, and you could use Zelle for a payment, so that is a plus. All right, so let's go ahead and get into the review for these Pradas. So first up, Prada American cups. Mind you, they get these in probably a couple of days ago for my baby's birthday, and they came in perfect. Boxing is amazing, and this will be in the link below if you want to check them out. But man, let's jump right into these, bro. These are absolutely amazing. I need myself a pair. I don't know why I didn't buy myself a pair. Leather is on point, sole, shape, and everything is on point. Can't lie, the mesh is breathable. It's top tier. Let's go ahead and get into detail on this pair. All right, right into unboxing, guys. So straight up, the tissue paper, whatever, is correct. You're in the dust bag. An extra accessory is like the Prada cards. Prada cards pretty cool. But onto the sneaker, the extra dust bag is a plus in my opinion. And the extra dust bag is correct. It's like a silver metallic with the red stripe, so that's pretty cool. I'm definitely going to be stealing this from her. But let's get on to the sneaker, y'all. These beauties, these are absolutely beautiful. This complete patent leather upper with the mesh underneath is a great combination, great summer look. Going into the shape is correct. The toe box looks amazing. It's not too wide, not too small, so it's the right rounding of the toe into the sole. And then the leather as well, with no out of place stitching. So on the outside of the shoe, onto the tongue, you have the Prada branding and logo in red. Everything is correct in my opinion. The proper spacing. On the other side of the shoe, you have 2 breathable holes in the same upper with the mesh underneath. Everything looks good. No creasing in that patent leather, so it's not looking too used or too cheap, so that's a plus. And then going into the bottom of the shoe, the sole, you have this slightly wider sole than older American cups, but they did a great job on this new pair. So look, y'all, Kickmax absolutely goated. These products are 1-to-1 in my opinion, and they always have great quality and fast shipping, so go check them out in the link below. As well as if you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, go ahead and like and subscribe for me and let me know who I should review next, y'all. See you on the next one.